Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to dangramza.com Market Studies for Monday, September 18th. Ton of fundamental information that came out as we talked about in the advanced video, but what I'd like to share with you is some of the market action that we saw this week. Green means buy, red means sell, dashed lines mean that's something that occurred earlier in the week. So the difference between this green to that red line, just to give you a reference, these are not buy and sell recommendations. That was $350 a contract. Now on Friday, the difference between that red line and that green line, this green line right here, that difference is $400 a contract. I don't look for a big day down in that market. Over here in the NASDAQ market, this difference between the buy and sell level, $520 a contract. And over in the Dow, $140 is the difference between this buy and sell level. I do look for a down day, but not a big day down in that market. From the buy to the sell level here, or that sell to this buy level is a better way to say it, that was $1,950 a contract. Further movement lower would be expected, but like in the euro, I'm looking for a rest day. The difference between that sell and buy level in that market's $137.50 over here in the Swiss franc. That also implies further weakness. In other words, that the dollar will get stronger. That's what these currencies are showing us. In the British pound, the difference between the sell and buy level in that market was $825 a contract. Be careful here. This has a potential for a move higher. Canadian dollar also in the same boat, moving up because of that pressure from crude oil, but be careful there. That could easily get weaker. Bitcoin traded below its sell level. The dollar difference in that market, $3,625 a contract. But look for a sideways move. That market just doesn't know what it wants to do. But I think the 10-year notes are going to get weaker. Same thing for bonds and for the gold market. Gold perked up on Friday, gave us a bit of follow through. The difference from the sell to the buy level in that market's $300 a contract. And in silver, it's in a very similar situation. Look for an inside type day over here in copper. Two levels here. The difference between the buy and sell level there is $2,500 a contract, and the difference between that sell to this buy level is $1,250 a contract. People are optimistic about China, but look for a sideways move in that market. Crude oil continues its march higher. It's at a level that's going to have an impact on corporate profits. Watch this $90 level. Nat gas broke lower. The difference between the buy and sell level in that market is $800 a contract. Cooling weather and a lot of supply is what we're seeing impacting that market. Same thing for beans. The supply issues there, you would think the global situation would drive this market higher. The difference between the sell and buy level there is $250 a contract. Over here in corn, the difference there is $150 a contract. Again, fundamentals are bullish. They're not really in a situation where we're seeing that demand and supply being non-matched up or just not fitting together. Wheat, on the other hand, has got a very interesting rhythm. If you look at that rally and then we follow through a rally, follow through, that means that on Monday we look for volatility but an up close in our friend Mr. Wheat. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. Look forward to being with you again on Monday. Have a wonderful weekend and take care.